Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the interesting tips and tricks if you are a YouTuber or content creator and you have no light. So in this video, I'll provide you detailed demonstration which light is important for you to create as a content creator. So I just purchased couple of days ago Aputure Amaran 100D with mini spot box including this tripod. I purchased this entire setup here in Copenhagen, Denmark from Amazon around 350 euro. The little expensive, but quality is really interesting. You can see the quality. Now I just active my Aputure Amaran camera using my iPhone very easily and you can see the results. It's totally changed the picture. Look at this. This is 100% brightness of Aputure Amaran 100D light and you can see the content of video. That one is totally changed. You can increase the flash, decrease the flash and record the video using this light. That one is really interesting and you can use some of the features also using this application of this light. Like you can convert like a gray, yellow and different types of colors. You can put it here, spotlights also, and record the content creator. But if you want create as a quality content, as a my personal suggestion, so we need to purchase Aputure Amaran 100D light. Just I record the proper setup. Look at this here. This is my light. Here I am and I purchase here the tripod and put it there, the charging cable, and this is a charging cable. You need to continue put it the plug-in. Now I will tell you the entire setup of this Aputure Amaran light. So look at this. There is my proper seat. Here is the camera is going on here. So I am recording and here is the light. I already use just only main light of my house, but here is not possible to record this one. So this tripod I purchased from Amazon 37 euro. The mini light box I purchased 88 euro and this light price around from Amazon. This is a simple setup of Aputure Amaran. It's very easy. Here 100% is going on. You can increase the size and decrease the flash from here also. Inside Bluetooth is also available here. Turning on off button is also available here. You can on off. Here reset button also available. You can very easily remove this pin like this and fix properly like this. It's very easy, nothing much. Again, you can very easily carry with this one also. And this is a simple setup of Aputure Amaran and you can very easily carry out the entire setup. And now I am here. So this is a simple setup to record as a quality content using my Canon M50 Mark II with Rode Go wireless mic. So this is a simple setup of my YouTube and this is one of the best light to use as a content creator. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.